Chewy, choo-choo. Let's show everybody the food you begged for later, okay? This dog has food all day long. I have to bring it to her. Ain't that right, little boo-boo? I have to bring it to her. She's mine. Oh, let me switch this over just for a second. Hey, everybody. It's just Jessica here. And, forgive I'm listening to, hang on a second. I like her channel too. Just Nina. She's unboxing a Target box, and I wish we had a Target here. But today I'm going to show you a quick, little, simple thing I do to my meat when I cook. I gotta run to the grocery store and get some more stuff that I saw that I ran out of. So this is I'm making like barbecue chicken. I take chicken breasts. I take strips. And a night before, I put them, here, let me start showing y'all what I do. I put them in this container. I put my frozen chicken with chopped onions, and I put a lid on it, and I let it sit for about 24 hours. And then I put them in the pan with the onions and a little bit of oil, and I let them cook for about 15 minutes, and then I put the first coat of barbecue sauce on it, and then I turned them and putting the second coat on. And what happens, like with steak and other stuff, if you let it marinate overnight with meat, it becomes real tender. Like, I mean, the meat's already juicy and falling apart as I was turning it. As you can see, it's already still falling apart. And I just need to put, look at all that nice juice. I just need to put another coat of barbecue sauce on it. And then I stick it back in the oven for about another 20 minutes. And sometimes I use the juice and the onions and the gravy to make a little gravy. And some mashed taters on the side. That's basically all I wanted to share with you. And junk is juicy and tender, man. I mean, you don't even need a knife. But let me stop picking at my food. You know, I got my man's trucker. He's coming home, and he's gonna be excited to eat it. So, anyways, that was just a short little hello, and that's like my main tip for meat. I learned it from a friend of mine's granny in Germany, and I've been doing it ever since. Because if I don't, I feel like my meat's too tough and it's not juicy enough. So. Anywho, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later.